Okay, welcome back. So here I am on the Autodesk website. Now there is a link for this, they call it a startup license, and some people call it a hobbyist license. There is a link and address for this, but Autodesk can move things around, so please, if this link doesn't work, the easiest thing and what I'd recommend is just go to Google and Google Fusion 360 startup license or hobby license or something like that, and it will take you there. Okay, that's literally what I've just done to get here. If I do copy this address, try it, but if it does change if it has changed when you're doing this course, then just Google it. Okay, if at some point this license stops being made available, I will change this course. So if you're hearing this, it's still available. Okay, so at the moment it's saying that it is free for individuals with non-commercial personal design projects and individuals doing home-based non-commercial manufacturing and fabrication. So basically for hobby use. I would also say that includes people who want to just learn the software. So you're not going to sell whatever you're making, or I wouldn't have thought you're going to sell whatever you're designing while you're learning the software. So Fusion 360 for free includes all capabilities except the support. Hopefully you don't need, because you've got me, because you're doing this course. Team collaboration you shouldn't need. So all this kind of stuff you shouldn't need if you're just learning the software and creating things to 3D print or for yourself. By the way, you don't need to have a 3D printer. You can send things out. You can design and send them out. There's plenty of people there who will 3D print for you. I recommend get one if you're into this, because 3D printers are cheap now. $250 will get you something like, well, at this point in time, something like an Ender 3, which is what I use, which is great. So, are you a startup? If you are a small business, now, it was free for businesses generating less than 100,000. At the moment, it's saying apply and fill in the details. I don't know if that's a price you'll get. If you are wanting to do it for your business, then all I can say is fill out the form or do whatever it's asking at that point in time and see what happens. But for the purposes of learning for yourself and home use, just Google Fusion hobbyists or Fusion for hobbies, okay? And it should take you to a page where it's free to download for hobby use. You will need to create an Autodesk account. I have one, obviously. It's free to create an account. You, just like anywhere else, you just give them some details. Because all your projects are saved online, it needs to know who you are, so it can save your projects against your name. So you do need to create an account and then get your software for free. Okay, it is a bit difficult in this because this kind of menu and this Autodesk move things about, so it is a bit difficult for me to go through the exact address and process. Today, this is it. I would just Google Fusion 360 hobbyists and go through the process. Create an Autodesk account and click on the link. And yeah, as of today, the software is completely free. So just go through that, create your account, download, install. You do need to install. I said it is based online, but you do kind of install something just to put a startup in your menu. Okay, and then you will find it under Autodesk, and you do get a kind of Fusion 360 there, but it is based online. It's not a big install, not like the other software. So go through that process. Let me know if you get any issues, and I'll see you in the next chapter.